You are watching Lekki Prime Channel and I am Ahmed Kaz. The headlines: Global cooling giant descends on Lekki for West Africa's biggest HVAC+R expo. Submerged roads and cloud drains leave commuters stranded. Ronaldo breaks new World Cup record at Portugal name scored. Now the news in details. The 9th International Mega Clima West Africa Trade Show officially opened Tuesday, May 19, 2026 at the Landmark Center in Victoria Island, Lagos. Organized by Elian April, this premier three-day exhibition serves as West Africa's largest gathering for the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration HVAC+R sector, drawing over 150 global brands from 22 countries to present advancements in smart, energy efficient, and sustainable cooling technologies. The opening day featured high-level seminar sessions designed to drive the industries forward. Jude Chime, the country manager for Elan April, delivered the welcome address, followed by opening remarks from Engineer Franklin Olatunji, President of the Asher Nigerian chapter. The Minister of the Environment for the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Honorable Alhaji Balarabe Abbas Lawal, delivered the keynote address before leading dignitaries on an official tour of the exhibition floor. Additionally, the afternoon featured an intensive masterclass on business sustainability and leadership led by industry veteran engineer Muhammad Abbas Sajid, the former Asher Regional Chair. On the exhibition floor, prominent global brands and key industry players actively showcased their specialized products and comparative market advantage.
Of growing dimension of sustainable food. As a critical component of climate action and economic development, this year's theme, Cooling Africa Responsible, Performance, People, and Sustainable HVAC, is both timely and highly relevant as the world continues to face the reality of climate change, rising temperature, rapid urbanization, and increasing energy demand. The need for sustainable, energy efficient, and climate-friendly cooling solutions has become more urgent than ever. The HVAC sector plays a vital role in modern society, from food preservation, healthcare delivery, to industry productivity, and urban comfort. Cooling technologies are indispensable to cooling systems, contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emission and global emission consumption. This therefore calls for a deliberate action towards the adoption of innovative technologies, energy efficient systems, and environmentally friendly refrigerants.
Among exhibitor Rachel Tian of the Western Chemical ME, who presented a company's specialized chemical formulations and climate control agents.
Our company mainly do the flow control systems and specialize in valves, pipes fittings, and the flow meters and pipes. We manufacture these products. We have our website here in these pictures and our contact numbers.
Representatives from Dala Tech use the platform to detail their product standard, explaining to stakeholders why their engineering designs offer superior durability and efficiency compared to competitors.
My name is Emre Eskin. I'm the export manager of Firat Plus Export Department. We are working more than 50 years in this sector. We are number one in Turkey. and we are number one in the Europe, and in the world we are in top three in this sector. Of course, according to production capacity and sales. In this way, we export more than 100 countries. We have a big experience sanitary and heating systems. In the same time, sewage systems, underfloor heating. Also, we have PEX multi-layer pipes and fittings and metal fittings. Also, hoses like garden hoses, air conditioning, fire hoses, washing machine hoses, different kinds of products we have. And we came to Nigeria because we want to enter this market as well. We are looking for a distributor which will purchase the product every month regularly. Of course, we are making export time to time to Nigeria for some projects or for some companies. But our system is working like this. We are working with the companies who is making import and making new sale.
Meanwhile, Jennifer Chin of Olansi Global highlighted our company's latest contribution to air purification and advanced water treatment system.
Water purifiers and air purifiers. We are doing the multifunctional water purifiers. For example, for this system, we are putting 4 systems in one. First is our filtration with our RO reverse osmosis. Then the second one with our heating. It may use hot water and warm water. Then the third system is our cold water. And inside this we equip the compressor to make cold water. Then the fourth thing is we are putting this one with a sparkling water. So in one system, we can achieve a different waters. We are looking forward to this.
The trade show continues daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and runs through Thursday, May 21st, 2026, serving as a vital networking and technological hub for engineers, architects, and real estate developers across the West Africa region. A severe downpour caused widespread flooding across the Lekki corridor, paralyzing daily activities and damaging numerous vehicles and properties from Lekki Phase 1 through Jakonde, Ogombo, Mobile Roads, and of course Ilaja route down to the Laurel School access. The crisis stemmed from a mix of the region's low-lying coastal geography, which causes natural tidal rocks, and human factors such as blocks, shallow drainage networks, illegal construction on floodplains, and indiscriminate waste dumping. These bottlenecks forced water into streets and estates, trapping commuters in massive gridlock and submerging major access roads. In response, distressed residents and motorists are urgently calling on the Lagos State Ministry of the Environment and Water Resources to clear clogged canals, expand drainage infrastructure, and enforce zoning laws to prevent future disaster. On sports, Portugal's head coach Roberto Martinez officially announced the national team's final 27-man squad for the upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup. Headlined by historical milestone for Cristiano Ronaldo at age 41-year-old, the legendary Al Nassr forward has been selected to lead his country once again, breaking a massive international record by being named to his 6th career World Cup roster, a feat that matches the long-time rival Lionel Messi. Ronaldo, who already holds the men's all-time record for international appearance and goals, will be embarking on what he has confirmed is his final World Cup campaign in his pursuit of Portugal's first ever global title. The roster is highly competitive and blends world-class experience with elite young talent. Key superstars accompanying Ronaldo include Manchester United captain Bruno Fernandes, Manchester City's Bernardo Silva and Ruben Dias, and a strong call from Paris Saint-Germain featuring Vetna and Nona Mendes. In a highly emotional tribute during the announcement, Coach Martinez dedicated the squad to the late Liverpool forward Diogo Jota, who tragically passed away in a car crash last July. Calling Jota the team's symbolic plus one forever, Martinez emphasized that the squad is entirely motivated to fight for Jota's unfulfilled World Cup dream. Portugal enters the tournament in Group K alongside Colombia. Portugal enters the tournament in Group K alongside Colombia, Uzbekistan, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, with their opening match set for June 17 in Austin. Now recap on the headlines. Global cooling giant descend on Lekki for West Africa's biggest HVAC+R expo. Submerged roads and closed drains leave commuters stranded. Ronaldo breaks new World Cup record as Portugal names squad. Keep watching Lekki Prime channel, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our other social media platforms. I am Ahmed Kabs. Thank you for watching.